Hey everyone, welcome back to another one. Today's just a quick simple one, just answering a question a lady asked me. She wanted to know where she can take the kids to catch a few whiting on the Gold Coast. I thought about it, and instead of just saying the broad water and just pointing out a few common sandbars and stuff where every man and his dog goes to fish for whiting, you're going to might catch one or two, you're going to catch some bream, maybe a flathead. I was going to do something a little bit different, okay? For this one, I'm only going to talk about one spot. It's a great place for the kids. It's really easy fishing. It's fun, simple, and a great day out with the kids, without the kids, with the dog, whatever. But it's just a good, fun, easy way to go and have a fish. You don't need any special gear for it. The only thing you are going to need is some nice bait, so some yabbies or some worms. Preferably if you can catch them fresh, be better, but if not, frozen ones from the shop would be fine, or if you can go to somewhere like Nev Howard's or somewhere. And I don't even know if he's still going, because you all guys know I'm in Cairns now. Hopefully he's still going down the little blue shop down the water. You used to be able to get some live yabbies and live worms from there. So either way, go try and get yourself some worms or yabbies. And I'm going to jump on the computer shortly and show you where I'm talking about. But before we get to that, the only gear you're going to need, and this is perfect for kids, is all you're going to need is just a little spinning outfit. Doesn't have to be a fancy one. This is just a little 6'6" spinning rod, stock standard spinning rod. Okay, it's a 3 to 6 kilo one. 3 to 6, yeah, 3 to 6 kilo. So not too heavy. I think I've got about like 8 pound braid on this. A little 2500 spinning reel, like I said, 8 pound braid. Can be mono or braid, doesn't matter. And you're just going to need a running sinker rig. So basically sinker, swivel, short bit of trace, and a long shank hook, a small long shanked hook. Okay. So basically it's just a whiting rig. You're going whiting fishing, but you're using small rods. You're not going to be using anything big, heavy or special. And what I'm talking about, guys, and where to go is actually just down the beach, surf beach. Don't worry about the rivers, don't worry about the broad water and fish in the same places everyone else is fishing and talking about. Hit the beaches. Not too many people fish all the gutters along the Gold Coast beaches, and there's hundreds of gutters. They're all the way along. Doesn't matter if you're fishing up at the northern end or the southern end or the middle around Burleigh. You can fish anywhere. Just go find these gutters, and I'll explain the gutters I'm talking about on the computer. Okay, so if you're ready, guys, I'm going to move over to the computer and I'm going to show you the type of gutters we're looking for to go catch some fish, some more specific, some whiting with the kids. Okay, and like I said, you don't need surf rods for this or any special gear. Just a little rod and some good bait, and go and enjoy the day. It's easy fishing. Alright guys, I'll see you over the computer. Okay, here we are at the computer. As I was talking before, this is just about whiting fishing around the Gold Coast area. I'm not going to point out all the common areas through the Gold Coast Broadwater, because I know every man and his dog's done it. You got all these banks, there's banks everywhere. You catch whiting on a lot of them. Today what I'm going to do is just tell you one spot to go to. It's fun, easy fishing, it's great for kids, and you'll have an absolute blast, especially over the summer months when the water's a bit warmer. Look now, what I am talking about is the Gold Coast here, beaches. Just along there. All these beaches, all the way along the Gold Coast. That zooms in a bit there. Look at these beaches. These beaches, these gutters are full of whiting and very easy to fish. But what I'm going to do is show you on the computer here, as I'm not talking about you can see these big gutters out here. Like I don't know if you can see the mouse or not, but you got these bigger, deeper gutters right out here, and that's where the guys are going catching tailor or trying to chase tailor. They got the big surf rods, serious guys, and casting a long way out. No good for kids, not that much fun. Okay, but for whiting fishing, you don't need any of that. What we're looking for whiting is the gutters in close, and I done a video about a year ago with some friends just using a little 6-foot rod, spinning rod, catching some beach worms. Had an absolute blast catching small whiting too, you know, keep a whiting, dart and a few other things. And what we done is we walked down here the sand pump and jetty. We can do this anywhere on the Gold Coast beaches, it doesn't matter where, and we're looking for gutters like this. You can see in here, you got gutters running here. One's in close. Not this one, but in here, in close. If you scroll down the beach here a bit more, so you got the big ones out wider, but we're not looking for them. We're looking for these gutters here, these ones in close. All you've got to do with these ones is stand in a knees deep of water. You're casting out into these gutters. You're casting probably 30 feet, if that. You don't cast very far at all. Easy for kids, because kids can't cast that far anyway. So kids can just flick out a few feet, stand in knees deep water, flick out a few feet. See, look at these gutters here. Right, that's a good one here, along here. Okay, we're not talking about the big ones at the back, we're talking about the ones right up next to the beach. And they don't have to be big deep ones like this. Like if you look here, you can see here, you can see like the little bit of a channel running through, and it's all sand here, quite shallow. They're full of whiting, especially over the summer months. All the way along here, you can fish all the way along here. You stand where this white water is, it's about knees deep. You're casting out into this bit here, just here. And with a basic running sinker rig on a small rod, kids will have a blast catching small dart, whiting, brim, flathead. They're all in there, these gutters. Like you can walk out in this sand bit here and fish in here. Like you'll see in the video, if you click the link to the other video where we're fishing at the start, there's a, you can see as we walk out like on a sand spit like this one, and we're fishing in the gutter like this. And we're catching a few small fish there and nothing decent. So we just keep on moving along the gutter. So that's the whole idea of these things. See how long they are? Just like if you're catching little ones or no bites, move up here, 100 feet, 50 feet, 100 feet. Cast out again and keep moving along the gutters until you start catching some legal sized fish. Then stay in the area, you'll catch a few. You just got to work along the gutters. Walk along the beach. If you've got dogs and kids and stuff, down the beach, have a blast. It's quick, easy fishing. And a great way to get a few whiting for a feed. Good fun day out on the beach. And kids will absolutely love it. See, that's only up the spit. Look at these channels here. I don't know how old this footage is. These channels change all the time, so you just have to go down the beach and go for a walk. But these little gutters are along the beach everywhere, guys. Okay. And the lady had asked me a question about going to catch some whiting with the kids for a bit of fun, because they like eating whiting, like catching them. This is the easiest way for you to do it and have fun with the kids, and safe. Well, these gutters, they're all along the beach here, they're everywhere. See that? You stand here in these deep of water, cast out here, that's where you're catching some whiting and brim. Dart, or here, a nice little sand spit here, cast out in this bit here, stand there. Don't worry about the big ones out here, don't worry about that, that's out. You want to look for these ones running along the beach, and the fairly shallow ones. Like here, that's awesome. And that's just, where's that? Phillip Park, so New SeaWorld. Yeah, there's SeaWorld. Oh. All along there. And you can do that along all these Gold Coast beaches. So, guys, for a bit of fun, easy fishing, hit the beaches. Don't worry about the broad water, don't worry about the rivers. Every man and his dog talks about them and go fish all these little sand caves and stuff. And yes, they work, but they get hammered. You don't see too many people, surprisingly, fishing these gutters along the beach, and they're full of whiting. Go out with some worms, some yabbies, go dig your own worms on the beach, buy some worms, catch some yabbies, buy the yabbies, whatever. Enjoy the day, have some fun, and get out there, guys. I'm going to say. And that's the end of that video. So I'm going to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully they gave you an idea of where to go and what to do. Once again, hit the beaches along the Gold Coast. You'd be surprised on what you'll catch and how much fun it is. And I'll see you again next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.